Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how you can add friends on Monopoly Go. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. Now first of all, open up your Monopoly Go application on your mobile device and make sure your account is logged in. After that, you will be redirected to the home page of the app where basically the actual game is played. Now select the Friends tab from the bottom tray of icons, and after that you can see that all of your friend requests are present here. You can also add friends if you select the contacts icon and add your contacts to Monopoly Go. To accept a friend request, simply tap on the accept button and that's it. This is how you can add friends on Monopoly Go. So that's all for today's video. Hope you liked the video. I'll be meeting you in the next one. See you soon. Bye.